You can often tell whether Thomas is happy or sad. When he's happy, he blows his whistle. When he's sad, he lets out a slow whoosh of steam. See if you can tell whether Thomas is happy or sad. Thomas is arriving at a station. He's late delivering his important load. Does this make Thomas happy or sad? Thomas is wheeshing out steam. Can you remember what that means? That's right. Thomas is sad. Being late with his delivery makes Thomas sad. Now Thomas has another delivery to make. But now he's on time. Does being on time make Thomas happy or sad? He's blowing his whistle. Can you remember what that means? Yes, Thomas is happy. Delivering his load on time makes Thomas happy. Well done, Thomas.